Hey, what's going on, people? Talking about new streams and creating multiple streams of income and stuff like that. Well, one stream of income you can definitely capitalize on is saving money, and you could do things for yourself. And instead of going to the mechanic, there's a lot of things with a car that you can do for yourself. Case in point, this 2013 Hyundai Genesis. I did not know that it was more than 3 fuse boxes on this car. Okay, so you have the passenger side fuse box. Then you have under the hood. Then you have the driver's side fuse box. And as soon as the sooner you know that, the better, because I did not initially know that. I thought it was just 2 fuse boxes, one under the hood and one by the driver's side. So I think I must have completely forgot about the passenger side fuse box. So there you have it, so that if your cigarette lighter and your middle console goes out, if it stops working, it's probably going to be the fuse, and that fuse box that you're going to want to change the fuse is located right here on this side, and it's going to be the P outlet, the 10 amp and the 15 amp. And so just make sure you have some spare fuses available. You can get those from the auto parts store if you don't have them, and swap them out. It should solve the problem. If not, it's probably something different that you have to do. But hopefully this video helps everybody out. I was just looking, and I was like, it's not matching up, because this is the panel for the fuse box on the passenger side, but this is the one for the one on the driver's side, and I couldn't find P outlet on that one. So I figured it out. Just took a few minutes. So hopefully this video helps somebody and you're able to get your outlets working again.